Dad.
Yes, sir?
Fall's officially 2 days away.
That's why I got my sweater on.
Well, why don't you make us your top 3 favorite fall cocktails?
I'm gonna do one better, and I'm gonna make you 4 fall cocktails.
But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel below.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, everybody, here are the top 4 fall cocktails. First one up is gonna be
The Bour-Berry. There's something that I prepped here, and I want to see how good your palate is. So in here is a simple syrup. How do you make simple syrup?
sugar and water.
Right, and without that, you cannot have a simple syrup. So I want you to taste that. Tell me what you think it is. That is a peppercorn simple syrup. So what I did was I crushed peppercorns, water and sugar, and had to prep it, and it's cooled down, so now I can use this. I'm just gonna use a little bit of the peppercorn syrup. All right, simple syrup, that's enough. Cut that lemon for me. So right in here, I'm gonna use a raspberry puree, okay? Just to save some time with the raspberry puree. That's gonna make it really sweet. I'm gonna use some blackberry fruit, all right? I'm gonna use this jam in here a little bit, right inside. Put a lemon in here, ready? Okay.
There you go. It's a big lemon.
Oh, half a lemon's good. You like bourbon?
I like that bourbon.
Fall's the time of year for the bourbon. And I have some ice. There we go. All right, good. I'm gonna use a single rock cube. Ready, Johnny?
I'm ready.
Okay, hold on, not done yet.
Oh, it's not done yet.
Now, I'm gonna garnish this with a little basil, right? Basically, I'm using everything that I have in my kitchen right now because we're gonna make pesto later, so I'm gonna use some basil. This is gonna sit in there nicely, and I have, see this fruit? These have been sitting in wine. This has been marinating, so these are drunken blackberries, and well, why not add them to the party? There you go. Have at it. Be good.
You know what? That might be one of the best cocktails you've made.
Serious?
Yeah, that's really good.
Let me get some of that. Yeah, that is good. Wow. Boy, take the peppercorn.
Yeah, that's a really good drink.
Good job. Cheers.
Drink number 2 is gonna be
Apple Martini.
oh.
I'm gonna take a little piece of my apple, and I'm gonna dress up the rim. A little cinnamon and sugar. So now we have cinnamon. Grate some of it into this, right? Put this down and get this out of the way for a second. All right, now let's make the cocktail. Put some apple cider in here, a couple ounces of apple cider. Green apple vodka. So we're gonna put some vodka inside. That's gonna give us obviously the alcohol component. And I'm just gonna put some ice in here. And the pour. And not done yet. Gonna put that sugar and that cinnamon right on there. This is multi-purpose. Obviously we smoke our glasses with this, and we can do creme brulee. We could do, in this case, the apple. Look at this. Look at that. You see what's happening?
You almost burnt your finger.
Well, not when you're a professional. You don't burn your finger. Now I'm gonna lay it right in there. Maybe I did burn my finger.
I saw you burn your finger.
No, I didn't burn my finger. If I burned my finger, I would have screamed.
That's awesome.
Vodka, flavored vodka, apple cider, rimmed the glass, did a little something there with the apple on top, tricked it up. That's probably like
Candied apple.
almost like a candy apple. I was gonna say candied apple. All right.
Cheers.
Can I have some of that too? Can I sip it? Can I sip it? Can I taste it?
And the third drink of the day is gonna be
Apple butter old fashioned. This drink is made right in the glass. All right, so you can get this at any supermarket, apple butter. All right, we're gonna take some lemon, right? So I got about a quarter of a lemon in there, which is plenty. Some bitters, orange bitters, a couple dashes.
There you go.
It's gonna mix this up, right? This becomes the roux, okay? In the bottom, I'm gonna taste that. Here comes the
You're not
train.
feeding me.
Come on, just,
No.
ready? Here it comes.
No. There you go.
Yeah, boy. Apple cider, right in the glass. And then we're gonna cut the sweetness with,
Well, Johnny drinks bourbon.
okay, a couple ounces of that in here. Gonna ice it up,
All right.
and I'm gonna top it off. This is a dehydrated piece of lemon. Cheers.
Apple butter, old fashioned. Ooh, that's good.
Is it? I'm saying it like I don't
Maybe
know.
maybe a little cinnamon would have helped out, but
I'm saying it like I don't know.
And our fourth fall cocktail of the day is gonna be
A smoky cider mezcal margarita. We're gonna use, this is a high-end mezcal. I really enjoy it, so I'm gonna use it. You don't have to go this high. Go a little lower if you want. Use Orange Liqueur, Grand Marnier, Cointreau. A little bit on top. We have some apple cider. This is gonna sweeten this up. Nice. All right, ice her up. Ooh, I can smell that. You can smell that from here.
Smell from here.
Right? Right?
Smoky.
Solid cube. We're gonna put this in here. And then we're gonna, on top, we're gonna smoke it. I'm gonna smoke this and we're gonna garnish it. All right, so we have our smoking kit, put that on top. We have our fuel, goes right into the basket here. All right, just the tip goes into the basket. And then we cover it on top. Perfect. Put that right in there. And let's try this again. Oh, baby. Into the glass we go. All right. Ooh, wow, that smells awesome.
Apple cider mezcal margarita.
All right, bring it over
Very
here.
good.
Bring it over here.
Good job.
That is good.
It's great.
I mean, we're 4 for 4.
Good job today.
Cheers to that. Well, enjoy your fall. Try out one of these cocktails. If you like them, make them for friends. If you don't like them, well, then just don't make it. Make something else.
That's it. Cheers.